If you want to learn how to transfer crypto assets from one exchange to another at zero cost, I said zero cost, no fees. Watch this video to the end as I'll be showing you exactly how I'm able to transfer my crypto assets from Binance to Gate.io at zero fees. Hello crypto smart investors. Many times I want to transfer crypto assets from Binance to other exchanges, from Binance to Trust Wallet, from Binance to Gate.io, from Binance to FTX, from Binance to KuCoin. Whatever crypto exchange you want to transfer to or from, make sure you use the right network and you're transferring the right crypto assets. So if you don't have that particular crypto asset, then it will be advisable for you to do what? Sell it to that particular crypto asset. Supposing I want to transfer ETH from Binance to Gate.io, the first thing I must do is to sell my ETH on Binance to BUSD or USDT. Until then, I can now go ahead to transfer from my Binance to Gate.io because USDT and BUSD, sending USDT and BUSD from Binance to Gate.io or to any other exchange requires zero transaction fees. It's much easier than sending ETH, and the network you also use matters. So from our interface here, you notice that this is what we have. So make sure that you watch videos on how to use the Binance interface if you have not done so. So on the wallet section, you have withdraw, and this is the crypto amount that you have. So clicking on withdraw, you are withdrawing crypto, and you must indicate the right crypto that you want to withdraw. In this case, is BUSD. Okay, because the crypto amount that we have is in BUSD. If it's in USDT, you click on what? USDT. So we are stepping straight to our Gate.io app now. If you don't have Gate.io app, go ahead to register now. The link to register is in the description box below. If you also have not registered for your Binance, the link also is in the description box below. So from your Gate.io app, you click on deposit immediately. So we've made several videos on how to use the Gate.io exchange. Watch one of it up there now. So what do you want to deposit? BUSD. So you click the right crypto. Don't go and click BUSD here and go and click at the other place. Now you notice that this comes up. So from here now, you make sure you select the right network. Okay, so make sure you select BSC/BEP20. Don't select ETH or any other, because if you select ETH or any other, you will notice that the network fee will be very high. So whatever you select here, make sure that it is also what is indicated here. Alright, so we made several videos on how to do this. So watch the video up there now to get yourself notified. Now you have back to Binance and you paste the particular wallet address of your BUSD. Then you go ahead to select the right network. So we are not sending to ETH ERC20, we are not sending to BEP2, we are sending to what? Binance Smart Chain. Make sure the right network is selected always, else your crypto asset will be lost. This particular step is super important. So click on confirm, then you go ahead to indicate how many of the crypto assets you are sending. So in this case, we are sending 300 BUSD from Binance to Gate.io. So after you've indicated that, you go ahead and smash on withdraw. You can read all the tips that has been indicated for you there. So when clicking on withdraw, all these other details will come up and they tell you that the network fee is what? 0 BUSD. Is that not super awesome? 0 BUSD. If you're using ETH, your network fee can be as high as $30. Imagine spending 15k just to send out money. So you enter all these verification checks and that does that. So I've made sure that before I can send out funds, 3 verification checks will be carried out. So once I finish entering the click on what? Submit, and this request submitted comes up and the money will be reflected after at least one network confirmations. So we head straight to our Gate.io and we'll see what happened. But before then, notice that what you have that details about that. This is a mail sent from Binance telling us that withdrawal was successful. So once withdrawal is successful, you should be able to see what your balance in your Gate.io app. So that is the particular amount of money that was withdrawn. So let's head straight to our Gate.io app and we'll see what we have here. So this is our Gate.io app and we'll see the amount of BUSD that was sent. But here you see it as USD. So you can actually change it or buy the USDT equivalent of this at gate.io. Video on how to do that has been created also. Watch it up there now to know how to buy and sell your crypto assets on gate.io. Hope you got value in this video. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead to smash that subscribe button right away. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. We are always here to bring you crypto related value. Remember to do one thing always: trade responsibly. Peace out.